Hello students, welcome in our channel. This is MEDxTalk and today we are discuss about the anatomy of stomach. Okay. Now we discuss about the location of the stomach. The stomach lies obliquely in the upper and left part of the abdomen, occupying the epigastric, umbilical and left hypochondriac regions. Okay. It is the epigastric region, it is the umbilical region, and it is a left hypochondriac region. Okay. Now we discuss about the anatomy of stomach. Okay. So we can see the stomach. Okay. It is a right lobe of liver. It is a left lobe of liver. Okay. So we remove it. It is a right lung. And it is a left lung. It is a gallbladder. Okay. Now we can see the body of the stomach. Okay. The stomach is attached with a greater omentum and here with lesser omentum. Okay, it is a greater omentum. Okay, and it is a lesser omentum. Okay, the lesser omentum is a small in size. Okay, now we discuss about the detailed anatomy of stomach. Now we remove other viscera of the abdomen. Now we are discuss the anatomy of stomach. Okay, the stomach is a muscular bag forming the widest and most distensible part of the digestive tube. Okay, it is connected above to the lower end of esophagus and below to the duodenum. Okay, it is connected with lower part of esophagus and first part of the duodenum. Okay, now we discuss about the shape of the stomach. Okay, in thin and tall person it is a J shaped. Okay, while in broad, strong and very active person it is a horizontal in shape. Now we discuss about the external features of the stomach. The stomach has a two orifices or two openings. Okay, the first one is a cardiac orifice and second one is a pyloric orifice. Okay, the cardiac orifice is joined by the lower end of the esophagus. Okay, and the pyloric orifice is opened into the first part of the duodenum. Okay, here it is a cardiac orifice, and here it is a duodenal orifice or pyloric orifice. Okay, the stomach has two curvatures. The first one is a lesser curvature. Okay, it is a lesser curvature, and second one is a greater curvature. Okay, it is a greater curvature. Okay, the lesser curvature is a concave and forms the right border of the stomach. Okay, and it provides the attachment to the lesser omentum. Okay, it is a greater curvature. It is a convex and forms the left border of the stomach. Okay, and it is a provide the attachment to the greater omentum. Okay, the stomach has two surfaces. The first one is a antero superior surface, and second one is a posterior inferior surface. Okay, the first one is a antero superior surface, and second one is a posterior inferior surface. Okay, now we discuss about the parts of the stomach. The stomach is divided into two parts. The first one is a cardiac part, and second one is a pyloric part. Okay, the cardiac part is larger in size, and it is further divided into fundus and body. Okay, so it is a fundus. Okay, and it is a body of the stomach. Okay, it is a fundus of the stomach, and it is a body of the stomach. Okay, now we discuss about the pyloric part. The pyloric part is subdivided into pyloric antrum. Okay, it is a pyloric antrum. Okay, it is a pyloric antrum, and it is divided into pyloric canal. Okay, so it is a pyloric canal. Okay, the fundus part of the stomach is a convex and dome shaped. Okay, now we are discuss about the blood supply of the stomach. Here we can see the left gastric artery, which supplies the lesser curvature of the stomach. Here we can see the left gastroepiploic artery, and it is a right gastroepiploic artery, which supplies the greater curvature of the stomach. It is the short gastric arteries, which supplies the body of stomach and fundus of the stomach. It is the left gastric artery, and it is the gastric arterial branches. Okay, it is the superior epigastric artery. Okay, so now we discuss about the venous drainage of the stomach. So the veins of the stomach drains into the portal vein, superior mesenteric vein, and splenic veins. Okay, so here we can see it is a hepatic portal vein. Okay, here it is a hepatic portal vein. The secondly, we can see here it is a superior mesenteric vein. Okay, and now third, here we can see the splenic veins. Okay, so the veins of the stomach drains into the portal veins, superior mesenteric vein and splenic veins. Okay, here we can see the hepatic portal vein, splenic vein and superior mesenteric vein. Okay, now we discuss about the nerve supply of the stomach. The stomach is supplied by sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. The sympathetic nerves are derived from T6 to T10 segments of the spinal cord. Okay, the sympathetic nerves are derived from T6 to T10 segments of the spinal cord. The parasympathetic nerves are derived from the branches of the vagus nerve. Okay, now we discuss about the visceral relations of the stomach. The anterior surface of the stomach is related to the liver, diaphragm, transverse colon, and anterior abdominal wall. Okay. The posterior surface of the stomach is related with the diaphragm, left kidney, left suprarenal gland, pancreas, transverse mesocolon, spleen, and splenic artery. Okay. Now we are discuss about the interior of the stomach. The muscles coat of stomach is arranged in longitudinal fibers are most superficial, inner circular fibers, and the deepest layer consists of the oblique fibers. Okay. We discuss about the anatomy of stomach. Now we discuss about the functions of the stomach.